Today I'm making 7 grains and 5 lentils khichdi. Now you must be thinking, what is 7 grains and 5 lentils khichdi? Today I'm going to show you how you can prepare your own grain mix and lentil mixes at home easily, and you can prepare healthy recipes using those mixes. Khichdi is one of my favorites. I have already shared so many kind of varieties for preparing khichdis, and I'm sure you will love today's khichdi recipe as well. Very healthy, nutritious and easy to make. So let's begin. Take your choice of grains like rice, quinoa, milo. Here I have green tender dry milo, tuvar basically, which is known as pork as well, oat, steel cut oat, wheat. You can use para lapsi, barley, jow known as, and here I have corn. You can use frozen or fresh corn as well when cooking. Mix it all and keep aside. Next, take your choice of lentils like pigeon, tuvar daal, chana daal, split skinless Bengal gram, mung daal with skin, split skinless black gram urad, and here I have masoor dal, red lentil. Mix it all. So here I have mixed grains and mixed lentils ready to be used in recipes. Once you have prepared earthy mixed lentils and grains, you can store them in an airtight container or jar for up to 6 months. And you can prepare recipes very quickly, easily, whether you want to prepare khichdi, dosa. Yes, you heard right. You can also make dosa, idli, using this lentils and grains mix. You can prepare actually many recipes using the lentils and grains mixes. If desired, you can keep mix of lentils and mix of grains separate and use as needed in recipes. Now here I have some vegetables. You can take your choice of vegetables. I'm taking onion, potato, tomato, cauliflower, green peas, and here I have ginger, garlic and green chili. Into the mixing bowl, take half cup of mixed grains and half cup of mixed lentils. Wash several times until water runs clear, and if desired, soak for about an hour. Usually khichdi is prepared from one kind of grain, basically mostly rice and lentil, mung dal or tuvar dal, but I usually prefer to use as many grains as I can and as many lentils as I can or I have in my pantry. And that's how I came up with this recipe of preparing 7 grains and 5 lentils khichdi, because whenever I go to grocery stores, I always see those 7 grains bread, 7 grains this, that, and I got inspired making khichdi using 7 grains and 5 lentils. Now I'm going to prepare khichdi in pressure cooker, but you can certainly make in the open pot as well or in your instant pot electric pressure cooker, however you like. On a medium to high heat, take about a tablespoon of oil into the pressure cooker pot. Add dry whole spices like cinnamon, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, mustard seeds, rye, cumin seeds, jeera, pinch of asafoetida, hing if available, onion, give it a stir, haldi powder, turmeric, ginger, garlic, green chili paste. When onion is slightly brown, add tomato, and I'm going to reserve a little bit of tomato for the topping. Let tomato cook. cover if desired to cook tomato faster. Next step. Tomatoes are well cooked. At this time, we're going to add green peas, matar, potato, aloo, cauliflower, gobi, few more spices, red chili powder. I also added green chili, and I also like to add red chili powder as well, but it's totally your preference. Garam masala powder, cashew, raisin and peanuts, moongfali, kismis, kaju. The aroma here is so wonderful, and look at the colors. Ready to add 7 grains and 5 lentil mix with water that I used for soaking. For 1 cup of grains and lentils, I already have almost about 1 cup of water in the pot, and I'm going to add 2 more cups of water, but it always depends on how you want your khichdi to be, kind of a stew, or you want little firm kind, grainy kind. If you want kind of a not stew kind, then you may want to add less water. Salt as per your taste. Add ghee, clarified butter. This is optional. Cover the pressure cooker. Put the whistle on, and here 2 to 3 whistles. Alright, so that was the last whistle. I turn off the stove. You can serve khichdi with a simple yogurt, dahi, but we always serve with curry. And of course, there has to be some other complements like pickle, cucumber, which is basically chopped salad, and pepper. I allow the pressure cooker to cool down naturally, and now let's open. Carefully open the cooker and look at the khichdi. This is how I like khichdi, kind of a stew as you can see, but you can see some whole vegetables, cashews, and the grains like rice and all that, quinoa and everything as well. So ready to take out into the serving plate. Look at this. Very comfy dinner. And here I have curry ready as well. Some cucumber, papad, pickle, and I like to garnish khichdi with little bit of coconut, coriander leaves, dhania, onion, tomato. Look at the yummy looking 7 grain, 5 lentils khichdi with vegetables. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app. And also, you can download Bhavna's Kitchen app for free on many mobile devices like iOS, Android and more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.